In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward Hotmail emails to another account. This is a handy trick if you'd like to consolidate your emails and keep everything neatly organized in one place. Let's dive right in. First, what you need to do is access your Outlook account since Hotmail is now part of Microsoft's Outlook service. Start by heading over to Outlook's login page. You can easily find this by performing a quick search for Outlook login or by visiting Microsoft's official site. Once you're there, look for the sign in button and click it. If you're already logged into another Microsoft service, this process should be seamless. However, if not, just enter your credentials as prompted. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Outlook homepage. This is where all the magic happens. Navigate to the inbox by clicking the Inbox tab, usually located on the left panel of the interface. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this layout if it's your first time here. It's designed for ease of use, with all your folders and categories conveniently lined up. Next, pick an email from your inbox that you wish to forward. A simple click on the email subject will open it up, allowing you to see the entire content. Now here's a nifty part of Outlook. Once your email is open, locate the three-dot icon, typically found at the top of the email window. This icon serves as a gateway to additional options, helping keep your main interface clutter-free. After you click on the three-dot icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, select Other Reply Actions. This is a unique feature that provides several more advanced options beyond the standard reply or forward. As we navigate through these additional options, you're going to select Forward as Attachment. This action is particularly useful when you want to retain the email's original formatting and metadata, making it easy for the receiver to view the email exactly as you have. Once you select Forward as Attachment, a new email window will pop up. Here you can enter the email address where you want this email to be sent. You might also want to add a message in the body if there's anything specific you'd like to convey to the recipient. When you're satisfied with your entry, hit the send button and you're all set. And there you have it, a straightforward way to forward your Hotmail emails to another account. This method is incredibly convenient for keeping your emails manageable and ensuring important messages are accessible from a central point. Remember, practicing these steps a few times will make the process second nature. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other guides for more helpful tips.